Hi! In front of me is Redmi 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access sound and vibration. Then scroll down again. Click on this switcher next to vibrate vocals, and this way enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. You can also click on this one next to vibrate in silent mode to enable or disable vibrations while your device is muted. Last but not least, tap on vibrate on tap and select the best intensity of that vibrations, like medium, or disable them completely by tapping on off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!